Hi everyone, it's Nick with AcuityMD. I wanted to share 5 key strategies that will eliminate blind spots and help you win your deals faster. First, improve targeting with precise data, instead of relying on strictly experience. Reps can uncover hidden opportunities in just minutes, improving efficiency. Second, leverage AI. You can use an AI that instantly gathers available data about a provider's volumes, payer mix, peer networks. This will help you generate impactful discussions and have smarter conversations with your physicians. Third, streamline pipeline management. Give reps a simple mobile solution that generates field data to fully understand pipeline and performance to quota. Fourth, disrupt existing referral patterns. Understanding how patients are referred for treatment allows you to allocate resources to strategies that drive change. Finally, align your territories by opportunity value. Put your experienced reps in regions with an equitable value and put new reps in prime opportunities to accelerate their ramp time. In today's MedTech environment, success isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Hope these strategies helped. Have a great day.